Do you think making money on YouTube takes expensive gear, hours of editing, or even showing your face? Think again. In 2024, YouTube automation is changing the game, letting anyone, yes, even you, earn big without ever stepping in front of a camera. Imagine making a consistent income by letting AI tools handle everything, from video creation to editing, even script writing. In this video, I'll show you exactly how YouTube automation works, why it's one of the best income opportunities right now, and how you can jump in with just a few simple tools. Ready to learn how to turn YouTube into your own automated income machine? Let's dive in. This faceless channel is getting millions of views and earns around $1,000 per video just by making simple YouTube and TikTok shorts. They create these videos using AI, and their huge audience loves the content. Most of their videos reach millions of views, and here's one as an example. In this guide, I'll use 3 AI tools along with CapCut to make similar videos quickly and for free. It's super simple, and by the end of this, you'll be ready to start your own faceless channel. You can see that our competitors are getting millions of views by creating these basic videos. The main characters are animals that transform into various things, like countries as warriors, countries as Spider-Man, countries as mythical creatures, and so on, all generated with AI. To do this, our first and most crucial tool is ChatGPT. I've already set up a prompt that provides exactly what we need: a table with everything split into categories like topic, country, and prompt for image generation. I'll explain it step by step to make it even clearer. This table includes prompts with details like the topic, countries as animal warriors, countries, and character type. ChatGPT organizes it into 3 columns: topic, country, and prompt to generate the image. Now we have prompts, but we need a text-to-image generator tool that can convert our prompts into images. For this, I'll use Leonardo AI. It is a free text-to-image generator tool that gives you 150 credits daily for generating the images. When you open Leonardo AI, you'll see the image creation screen. Here's what you do. Click Image Creation. After that, set the model to Leonardo Phoenix and the aspect ratio to 9:6. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, and paste it into Leonardo AI to generate images. Repeat this for each country on your list. ChatGPT can also give you fresh topic ideas. For this, just type "give me another topics" and it will generate more ideas like countries as futuristic robots. So you'll always have new prompts. Once you have all the images, download the best ones. Next, head to Pixabay and download royalty-free flags for each country to avoid copyright issues. Now it's time to turn our still images into a video using our next tool, Hyper AI. If you're new to Hyper AI, it's a tool that turns still images into videos. Just click the link provided and sign up for a free account. After signing up, you'll see this interface. Select Image to Video. And now click on the first frame image. Upload the download image. You can also describe what you want to do with your image. I'll leave it to them. After that, it takes a few minutes to generate the video from the image. See, here is the result. Now upload all the images one by one to generate the videos. Now we have all the videos and we'll need to combine them all. For this, I'll use CapCut. Open CapCut and import all the videos you created, setting the aspect ratio to 9:16. drag the videos to timeline one by one. And then, add transitions between each clip. For this project, the floodlight transition works well. Next, add the shake effect to the timeline at the end of each video to enhance it. For text, add default text on each clip. Type the country's name one by one. Then select the font, color, and outline. And use the blur left animation for the start and fade out for the end. Drag and place each flag beside its corresponding text, adding shake and fade out animations to each flag. To make the video more exciting, add background music. I found a great track on Pixabay called Tribe Orchestral Ethnic. After downloading the music, drag it below the videos. Cut the excessive part and adjust the volume. You can also add a fun sound effect like lion roar from Pixabay to make it unique. Finally, download the video and enjoy watching your creation.